Hey everyone! I'm Video. I'm going to show you how to uninstall any app or program on Windows 10, Windows 11, or any other version of Windows. It's super easy. Let's get started. First, go to your search bar at the bottom left of your screen. Type Add or Remove Programs. You'll see an option called Add or Remove Programs. Click on. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the app. That with the app or remove all the search bar to find the app. You can also sort the list by name, size, or installation date. Let's say I want to uninstall Mini-Tool Movie Maker. I just click on it, then click Uninstall, and confirm one more time. Click on. That's it. Mini-Tool Movie Maker has been successfully removed. Sometimes certain apps won't uninstall using this method. In that case, you can try the control panel for older or classic programs, or game a third-party tool like Revo Uninstaller for a deeper clean. If you'd like a step-by-step video tutorial on either of these methods, just let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to make one for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.